We've got our web app built and we're ready to push it up to Heroku, but how do we physically do that? Well, the answer is that everything in Heroku happens via Git, and if you want to push new code, you just do a git push. So how do we get this? First things, we need to get this into Git, right? That's step one to the process. So first off, let's start by creating our git ignore file, which will tell Git not to save the stuff in vendor, because when we push it up to Heroku, Heroku will do all the stuff in the cloud. So we'll tell it to ignore vendor, and we'll create our git ignore file. Great. And then if we go over to the command line, we'll create a new Git repo, and then we can add the files we need. So we need proc file, we need composer.json and composer.lock, and we need our index.php, and then we can just go ahead and commit that. Say initial commit. And if we look at our git status, oh, and I missed the git ignore file, so let's add the git ignore file and commit that as well. Just git ignore. Okay, and brilliant. So all our stuff is now in the Git repo, and we're ready to push it up to Heroku, which we will do in the next lesson.